Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford Focus windshield wipers full guide. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks and inspect the connector type. Press the release tab or use a flathead to carefully pry open the clip while supporting the arm to prevent snapping. Slide the blade down and off the hook, then dispose or recycle the old blade responsibly. This step walks you through removing the old blade safely and confidently. Hold the wiper arm steady, press the release tab, and gently slide the blade down off the hook. If the clip is stiff, wiggle slightly while maintaining pressure on the tab to avoid breaking plastic. Keep fingers clear of the windshield and work slowly to prevent the arm from snapping back onto glass. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a simple way to freshen your ride and keep things pleasant while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals on essentials you might need. Now let's get back to the video. Installing new blades is quick and satisfying when done right. Hook the new blade onto the arm, ensuring the connector seats fully, and you hear a solid click. Lower the arm gently back to the glass to avoid impact. Turn on the wipers and run through a short cycle with washer fluid to confirm smooth operation and full coverage across the windshield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.